Hello everyone, this is Dr. K. Venkat Prasanna, Assistant Professor in Department of Community Medicine, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. I am here to talk about World Health Day, which is observed on 7th April every year globally. In 1950, first World Health Day was celebrated. This day marks the anniversary of founding of World Health Organization. The objective of World Health Day is to raise global awareness of a specific health theme to highlight a priority area of concern for World Health Organization. Theme for World Health Day 2021 is building a fairer and healthier world. That means for this World Health Day, WHO is calling for action to eliminate health inequities as part of a year-long global campaign to bring people together to build a fairer and healthier world. According to WHO report in April 2021, it says that at least half of the world's population still do not have full coverage of essential health services, and around 100 million people are still being pushed into extreme poverty because they have to pay for health care. Adding to that, COVID-19 pandemic has hit all countries hard, but its impact has been harshest on those communities which were already vulnerable and those with less likely to have access to quality healthcare services. COVID-19 has undercut recent health gains, pushed more people into poverty and food insecurity, and also amplified gender, social and health inequities. It has highlighted that some people are able to live healthier lives and have better access to healthcare facilities than others. These are due to conditions in which they are born, live, work and grow. All over the world, some groups struggle to make the ends meet with little daily income, having poor housing conditions and have little or no access to healthcare services, safe environment and clean water. This leads to unnecessary suffering, avoidable illness and premature death. This is unfair, and to prevent this there is a necessity to build a fairer and healthier world for everyone. That's why World Health Organization is calling leaders to ensure that everyone has living and working conditions that are conducive to good health, and also to monitor health inequities to ensure that all people are able to access quality health services when and where they need. I hereby conclude requesting all to address the drivers of health inequities today to ensure safer and healthier tomorrow. And please remember that the enjoyment of highest attainable standard of health is one of the fundamental rights of every human being without distinction of race, religion, economic or social condition. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity.